Top 5 Best Battery Lawn Mowers. We are going to check out top 5 best battery lawn mowers in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this battery lawn mowers, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Greenworks 16-inch 40V cordless lawn mower, 4.0 Ah battery included. G-Max 40V4 Li-ion battery, model 29472, powers multiple tools for complete yard work system, includes 1-4 Ah battery and charger. Single lever 5-position height adjustment, offers cutting height range from 1-1/4 inch to 3-3/8 inch for the best cut in all environments. 2-inch-1 feature offers rear bagging and mulching capability for multiple use. Cuts 400 m2 on a single charge. Nice even cut for all grass types. 16-inch cutting deck allows you to maneuver through small to medium-size yard more efficiently. 6-inch front wheel and 7-inch rear wheel for easy maneuvering throughout your yard.
Top 4.
Worx WG7 44 17-inch 40V, 4.0 Ah, cordless lawn mower, 2 batteries and charger included. The 17 inches mower includes 2 removable 20V4 Ah batteries that delivers 40V power and performance. Patented IntelliKit provides additional torque on demand and the ability to conserve battery when desired. Premium 2-inch-1 design that mulches, bags and rear discharges and includes a quick single lever cutting height adjustment. Grass bag features a full indicator and oversized carry handle for easy disposal. Cuts up to 1/8 acre per charge, and dual port charger can charge 2 batteries at once.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Worx WG958 14-inch 40V, 4.0 Ah, WG779 cordless lawn mower and WG547.9 power share cordless turbine blower battery and charger included. Includes 2 20V 4.0 Li-ion batteries for extended run time. 14 inches cordless mower and turbine cordless blower. Mower features patented IntelliKit which provides additional torque on demand and the ability to conserve battery when desired. Powerful blower is compact and lightweight and produces up to 360 cfm of air volume to tackle any job. Part of the Worx Power Share family, share batteries save money.
Top 2.
Greenworks 20-inch 40V twin force cordless lawn mower, 4.0 Ah and 2.0 Ah batteries included. G-Max 40 volts Li-ion battery system powers multiple tools for complete yard work system, includes 1 4 Ah battery and 1 2 Ah battery and charger, voltage, 40 volts. 20-inch cutting deck offers a great balance of maneuverability and cutting capacity, making it ideal for mid-sized areas. Innovative Smart Cut technology adjusts for power or run time based on the thickness of your grass. Dual blades offer better cut quality, superior mulching and bagging capabilities. 5-position single lever height adjuster allows for a cutting height range of 1-3/4 inches to 3-3/8 inches. Kindly review the user manual under technical specification for troubleshooting steps and setup instructions.
Top 1.
Greenworks PRO 21-inch ADV cordless lawn mower, 4.0 Ah battery included. Never stop cutting. Up to 60 minutes of runtime with fully charged 4.0 Ah battery. 4.0 Ah battery and charger included. Cutting height, maximum 1-3/8 inch, cutting height, minimum 3-1/4 inch. Greenworks brushless motor provides your tool with longer runtime, more torque and more power. This leads to less wear and tear, extending the lifetime of the tool. Smart cut load sensing technology. Versatile 3-inch-1 discharge capabilities allows for rear discharge, mulching and side discharge. Rapid charge of 30 minutes for 80 volts 2 Ah battery and 60 minutes for 80 volts 4 Ah battery. Compatible battery and charger models GBA80200, GBA80400 and GCH8040.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.